Welcome to Video 4 in the Eaton Low Voltage Switchgear Fundamental Series. Today we'll be covering the first compartments within the breaker section, and those are the instrument and main metering compartments. The instrument and main metering compartments are dedicated compartments in low voltage switchgear that can come in either quarter-high or half-high configurations. They can also span two compartment widths for larger structure sizes. This compartment usually presents the largest electrical risk to someone performing maintenance on the breaker section of switchgear. This is due to the instrument compartment, containing potential transformers and control potential transformers that have the rated voltage of the switchgear connected to them. If the switchgear has 600 volts in the back, it will have 600 volts in the instrument compartment. The other thing to note is, the instrument compartment is where a lot of the control wires will be brought in. The wires and where they go are typically marked on the wire, usually either as a direct print on the insulation or via some type of wire sleeve. For Eaton low voltage switchgear, the control wiring labeling is customizable, but typically has the point of origin, the wire destination, and the point of destination imprinted for easy identification and wire tracing. Next time, we'll dive into the breaker section's namesake, the breaker compartment, and learn about key components that allow breakers to interface with the switchgear.